Alright guys, Dave Smith, TQ, Tuff Truck tonight, ran 15.523. This is going to be a 5-minute main. Keep it nice and clean. Marshals ready, drivers less than 5. Here we go. Need help in the infield. Oh, no reverse, Rick. Got Dave Smith off front, Hans. Oh, Peter needs help. Hans in second. Peter and Pascal fighting for that third position. Here comes the leader right now, Dave Smith. Hans getting through. Pascal stuck in the hole. Luciano crossing the line, third position. Here comes fourth, David Pascal. Smith right behind him. Hans less than 3 seconds away from Smith. Oh, there the infield. Want to give Dave Smith a little bit more room. Pascal pointing the wrong way. Oh, on the big table, on the big table. There comes second position. Coming up on 1.5 down, 3.5 to go. Oh, Peter. Upside down, went up to the small table. Dave Smith gonna run into some light traffic now. He gets around them. Once again, come down the front straight, fast lap. I can't beat the fast laps here.
Minutes left.
Coming up to the halfway point. The wall, here comes second position. Hans now about 11 seconds away from Smith. Smith coming up the wall. Hans coming into the crossover area. Got Peter in third, David in fourth, Greg in fifth. Hans making up a little bit of time every lap.
Left.
Oh, leader stuck up in the crossover. Doing a little flip. Peter Luciano needs some help there. This side, this side, this side. Dave Smith still off front, crossing the line. Here comes Hans. Hans now only 5 seconds away from Dave Smith. 1:30 left on the clock. Hans in full gear now. Oh, Smith on the right side. Hans now right behind him. Oh, front, front. Still a minute to go. Oh, right side, leader. Once again, oh! On the table, on the table. I'm only 6 seconds away from Smith, 45 seconds left on the clock. Has to fight his way through traffic. 6 seconds away from Smith now with 25 seconds left on the clock. crosses. We got 10 seconds left on the clock. This will be Dave Hines' last lap right here. Hines has to find 6 seconds somewhere. Where's it going to be? The 22 crossover. Oh, Hines nailed the crossover. Dave should keep it nice and smooth. Dave has this one locked up. Here, you're done. The pastor, you're done. Smith, you're done. Right, you're done. And here comes second position. Hines. Everybody's done. Dave wins that. Hines, Stockies in second, Peter Luciano in third, Pascal fourth, and Brad Newcomb in fifth.